Hi, everybody. I just wanted to give a little explanation for the last few weeks of class. I just realized that I actually need for everything to be turned in a week ahead of time. And so I have changed significantly weeks 14, 15, and 16. And so I just wanted to give a quick overview video about these 3 weeks. Primarily because I will be going on a mission trip right after school is out, and so I will not be able to take time to grade things that are turned in at the last minute. So I'm doing it now so people won't work ahead and be off and all of that. So week 14 is pretty much the same. Small board, we're about digital assessment. We're looking at small group discussion boards. You do a little assessment sort, and then you're going to learn a little bit about digital assessment. You have a participation task, and then it looks like our assignments are out of order, but in reality, your HyperDocs lesson will be due now on that Friday or that Sunday, of week 14 instead of waiting later. And then I have moved a couple of things around after this. And so what I would suggest to you when you get to this point is that you should have basically had your HyperDocs lesson due before this, because we will be building different parts of it throughout weeks 10, 11, 12, and 13. And then you should be done and just putting the kind of the polishing aspects on it at this point. And so your HyperDocs lesson is due week 14 by Sunday midnight. And then I suggest that you look ahead to week 15. These are revised for this week. If you scroll all the way down past this is what I had before. Do not do that section. We have a combined week 15/16, really. There's nothing due during finals week, so we really don't even have a 16. But we don't have, during week 15, you do not have any new content to look at. You're just finishing up tasks. And so you will be completing your In My Classroom page, which means all of the different sections, paragraphs, embedded elements need to be done, and all your revisions need to be done based on my feedback. Right here, I say you will not have a certain section because I took out some content that I had in this week before. So that'll make sense to you once you get to doing it. And then go turn that in. And then I do an explanation of your final VoiceThread project. And so you have plenty of time from when your HyperDocs lesson is due until your classroom page is due. There's very little that would need to be done, but you need to definitely look through and watch all of this video and look through the presentation to see what your final is about, because there's a lot of detail to it. You're going to make a VoiceThread on your own, and you're going to be reflecting on the ISTE standards. And so I've been very thorough explaining about that. So look through that. And then your final project will be due by Sunday, May 12th. And the reason your completed professional page isn't due until that time as well is because part of the final project will be included on your professional page. So you need that to finish up. And so then you will be done with this class. So you don't do anything below this right there. And so you do, if you finish this final project, you actually get it in early, then you will get bonus points for that. And so if you want to do that and grab those, then that will be great. So that's just a little bit how these last weeks are being revised. And not that that matters to you right now, but when you get there, it might. So, and that is it.